Hi guys, welcome back. It's Sylvia again. In today's video, I have another exciting project for you. It's another really cool and really simple bracelet. For this project, you will need yarn. I'm using cotton again because I love natural fiber yarn. Also, you will need some needle. I'm using this one so I can thread my beads. Also, you will need some beads, of course. I'm using 2.5mm hook for this yarn, and also some scissors. First thing you need to do, thread your beads on the yarn. You can create a pattern as well, light one, dark, or light one, dark one. It's up to you really. So for this project I have 22 beads, but if they're smaller you will need more beads on your yarn, but these are quite big. These are 9mm with a big hole in there. So after you finished threading your beads on the yarn ball is on my left, and on my right side I left around 70 to 80 centimeters long yarn tail. So this is gonna be our chain for later, so we don't need to attach the chain to close your bracelet. So we're gonna leave this aside. Beads are on my left. We are going to start with a simple slip knot. And then we need to chain one, but make sure you are chaining on the left side, just like so, on the side where you have all your beads ready. So we need to chain one on this side, just like so. And then don't make your stitches too tight. And I'm already sliding my first bead down, and I need to chain over my bead. So yarn over and pull through your loop and make it nice and tight. And now we need to turn our work, so our bead is gonna go clockwise, so from left to right. And now we need to do a single crochet into this first stitch in here. So we're gonna insert your hook and pull through, yarn over and pull through again, just like so. And I'm already sliding my second bead, and I need to chain over the bead again, just like so. And now we need to turn our work again. So gonna turn our work, and from here we need to chain, or we need to do a single crochet under this bead here, so in this cup, into the stitch which goes right inside our bead. So we're gonna do a single crochet there. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And I'm already sliding my next bead and chaining over the bead, and I'm turning my work clockwise again. Need to do a single crochet again under this bead here, So do a single crochet, yarn over, and pull through 2, and slide another bead. Chain over the bead and turn your work. Do a single crochet under this bead here, just like so. Single crochet, and I'm sliding the next bead again, and this will become our pattern. So we're gonna carry on like this. Chain over the bead, turn your work, and do a single crochet under this bead here, single crochet, and slide down the next bead. Chain over the bead, turn your work, and do a single crochet under this bead here, single crochet, the next bead, next bead down, chain over the bead, and turn your work. Do a single crochet under this bead here, single crochet, and add one more bead. Chain over the bead, turn your work, and do a single crochet. It's super simple and super unique, I think. It depends on what beads are you using as well. You can use small beads, big beads, and different colors of the yarn, of course. So I'm finishing my last 3 beads here, and then I'm going to show you how to finish your bracelets. So sliding my bead, chaining over my bead, turning my work, and doing a single crochet under this bead here, single crochet, and sliding my next bead. Sliding my next bead, chaining over my bead, turning my work, and single crochet. And the last bead, chaining over. And depends how long you want your bracelet to be. This is just perfect length for me, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna show you how to finish it. So just to make sure all your beads are nice and secure, after you done your last bead, we are going to slip stitch into this gap here, slip stitch, and from here, when it's nicely secured, we're just going to do our chains. So you chain as many as you need again, So I need last few stitches here. I'm going to finish. You can add the beads in the end if you want, but my beads are quite big for this project, so I'm not gonna add them. So I think they're gonna be in a way do the knots. And remember when we were leaving the yarn tail in the beginning, so we can just create a chain from here. So just slip stitch or just insert your hook here and yarn over and bring your yarn in just like this, and from here you just chain your chain as long as you need it. And the same as on the other side, just need to finish it off, secure. Do a knot. Should do a knot first, but it doesn't really matter. And your super easy and super fast bracelet is done. I think it looks amazing. All these beads, these are quite big beads, but I like that chaining here. It's like a really nice pattern as well. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.